We had another truckload of dirt delivered, approximately 6,000 pounds. Last night, son-in-law and I brought the dirt down. We got about 2/3 of the way with that truckload, and we only expected to go halfway. So I'm thankful that we did get to go a little further than that. So next week we will order another truckload of dirt and finish this off. This afternoon I will come out here and level this dirt out, clean off the blocks, and place the new toppers as far as what the dirt is. That should make it look a lot nicer.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.